Hey guys, just a small update about Google professional certificates. Google offers 5 professional certificates in data analytics, project management, UX design, IT support, and IT automation. And these certifications are 6 months long and it can prepare you for the entry level job in their respective fields. And if you'd like to explore these professional certifications, which can help you get a job, I'll leave the link in description. Do check it out. And if you are looking to learn about finance but don't know where to begin, then check out these 20 plus free beginner level courses on finance, which we'll be covering in this video. And these courses are absolutely designed for beginners, so you do not need any previous knowledge on finance to enroll in these courses and learn about finance. So you are absolutely free to enroll in and free to learn whatever you want from these courses. And coming to the certificates, for some courses you can get a free certificate, and for some courses they'll give you the certificate only if you pay the certain amount, and for some courses there aren't any certificates at all. So let's dive in and see what are those free courses available for you. So the first one is finance theory course that is available in MIT Open Courseware platform. So this course is directly offered by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which is one of the most popular and consistently top ranking university in the world. So this is a introductory course to the theory of modern financial economics and analysis and financial management, and it also focuses on capital markets and investments. And this is a 2 weeks course, so you can easily complete it. And these are self-paced online courses, so you can enroll in whenever you have time and complete it at your own pace. But there isn't any certificate for completing this course. So this is the first one in our list. Let's move on to the next one now. And the second one in our list is financial markets course that is offered by Yale University. And in this course, you will learn the technical terms of finance and the functioning of securities, investments, and banking. And this course is available in Coursera platform, and it is taught by Robert Schiller, who is an economist who won a Nobel Prize. So you are going to learn from someone who have very good knowledge in these areas. So it's definitely going to be helpful. Make use of it. And for this particular course, the certificate isn't available for free, but anyway you can enroll in the course for free and learn everything for free of cost. But for certificate and for assessments you need to pay certain amount. So it's up to you. You can choose any path that you want. Let's move on to the next one in our list, which is the global financial crisis. And again, this course is offered by Yale University via Coursera platform. And this is a 24 hours long course which covers all the topics related to the global financial crisis in 2008-9 that hit the US and other Western nations. And this is a 1 week long course, and the certificate and assessments can be accessed only if you go for the paid version, but you can learn for free. Next one is Introduction to Wealth Management course that is offered by CFI, that is Corporate Finance Institute, and it covers the basics of financial planning and the wealth management industry. And this is a 3 hours course which will definitely help you to prepare for the careers in finance. You'll definitely get to know about all the career opportunities that are available for you in finance field. So make use of this one as well, and I think you can also get a free certificate for this course from CFI after completing the assessment. And the next course in our list is Introduction to Cryptocurrency. And again, this is offered by CFI, that is Corporate Finance Institute, and it covers the working of cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and the technology around it. And this is also a 2 hours long course, and you need to complete the exam, and then you can get a free certificate for this particular course from CFI. Next one is Finance for Everyone specialization, which is available in Coursera platform. So this is actually a specialization which covers 4 courses, and it is basically the decisions, markets, value, and debt. So you will learn about the languages of finance, the intricate functions of money, how local finance correlates to the national and global finance, and all those stuff in these 4 courses inside this particular specialization. And generally it takes approximately 4 to 6 months for people to complete this entire specialization. And again, for certificate and assessment you have to pay certain amount and buy this specialization. If you want to take the courses under this specialization for free, you can go to individual course section under this specialization and enroll in the courses for absolutely free of cost. And the next one in our list is Introduction to Corporate Finance course, which is offered by edX. And this course is mandatorily taken by the first year MBA students of Columbia Business School. The content is going to be very good, so you do not have to worry about the quality of content which you are going to get out of these courses. It's definitely going to be good, so make use of it. And by taking this course, you can gain knowledge on financial rules, concepts, and their application to bonds and stocks. And this is a 6 weeks long course, and if you want to get the assessment, access, and certificate, you need to go for the paid version. Next course in our list is History of Corporate Finance in a Nutshell course that is available in Allison platform, and it quickly touches upon the most important thinkers and times in the history of corporate finance. And you will also understand some key concepts such as risk, markets, mergers, and acquisitions from this 3 hours long course. And again, if you want to access the assessment and the certificate for this course, you need to go for the paid version. And the next one in our list is Reading Financial Statements course, and this is again offered by Corporate Finance Institute. So if your job requires you to read the financial statements but those jargons go right over your head, this course will definitely save you from that trouble. So in this course, they use a company's financial statements and reports to teach the financial strength of the company, and it can be very helpful if you are looking to learn about financial statements. And this is a 1.5 hours long course, and after completing the exam you can get your free certificate from CFI. Next one in our list is Fundamentals of Finance, which is available in Coursera platform, and this 9-hour course will teach you about risk management and assessment skills in finance field, and it might take up to 1.5 weeks to complete this course. And for certificate and assessment, again you need to go for the paid version, but for learning you can just go for the free version. And the next one in our list is Business Finance Foundations, and this is offered by Great Learning. So this course will help you familiarize yourself with some common accounting and finance terms, and this is a short course. You have nearly 2 hours video content for this course, and after completing the course content you need to take a quiz, and after completing the quiz successfully you can download your free certificate for this course from Great Learning platform. Next course in our list is Introduction to Corporate Finance, and again this course is also offered by Great Learning Academy, and this is a 3 hours course which touches upon the fundamental overview of valuation, capital raising, and budgeting techniques, and lot more things will be covered. And again, after completing this course also you can get a free certificate from Great Learning Academy. Next one in our list is Personal Finance 101, Everything You Need to Know. So this course is available for free in Udemy platform. So if you want to learn how to manage personal finance better, you can definitely go forward for this course. You can enroll for free, but Udemy doesn't give any assessments or certificate for their free courses, but you can definitely enroll in this course for free and learn all the stuff for free of course and develop your knowledge. And the next one in our list is Basics of Finance, and this is available in HP Live platform. So basically HP Live platform is an initiative by HP company in which you can get a lot of free courses. So this course can help you learn the basic concepts of finance. You learn how to calculate expenses and figure out how to make a profit. So you'll get to learn about all those basic stuff of finance in this course. And you have 4 hours content for this particular course, and after completing it you can also get a free certificate from HP for this particular course. Next one in our list is Free Finance Online course, which is offered by EduCBA, and it is a concise course that explains how to study financial statements, income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets for a beginner. And no prior knowledge is required to enroll in these courses, and you will also get a lifetime access to all these courses, and it takes approximately 2.5 hours to complete this particular free finance course that is offered by EduCBA, and after completing it you can also get a free certificate. Next one in our list is Free Finance Online course that is offered by Street Mojo. So this is also a 3 hours long course. You can learn about all those basic stuff, so make use of this one. They also provide a free certificate. Next one in our list is Career Opportunities in Finance, and it is offered by eLearn Markets. You have 1.5 hours video content for this course, in which you can basically learn what are the career opportunities that you have in this finance field. So there are a lot of opportunities which you might not be aware of. So if you enroll in this course, you might get to learn about those things as well. But they do not give any certificate for this course in their platform. And the next one in our list is financial accounting course that is offered by Great Learning Academy again. And this course will enrich you with the most important concepts of financial accounting, the functions of balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. And you can get to learn about a lot more things. And this is a 1 hour course, and after completing it, you can definitely get a free certificate as well. And the last one in our list is Learn and Master the Basics of Finance. So this course is again available in Udemy for absolutely free of cost, and the instructor will walk you through the history of finance and complex financial topics and how to interpret terms. So it also covers the basics of what the stock market is and how those stuffs work. So it can be very helpful if you are coming from a non-finance background. And this course is 3.5 hours long, and there is no assessment or certificate or any of that sort in Udemy free courses. So you can also make use of this course to develop your financial knowledge. So make use of these courses. And if you like this video, you can definitely subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook to get instant updates about all our videos.